Wanna get high? What's the matter with you? You scared?
You lost, little boy?
You in the wrong place, man.
To Victor, this isn't just a drawing. It's a cry for help. Every day, real kids like yours live pictures like this. Listen to the children. Fight back against crime. Call this number now and learn how to protect your children from drugs and violence. Together, we will take a bite out of crime.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Erie County and northern Ohio, east and western Sandusky County and northern Ohio, eastern Wood County and northern Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was located near Groton, or 25 miles southwest of Margaretta, moving west at 30 miles per hour. The locations include Groton, Bellevue, Townsend, Clyde, Wallowville, Fremont, Helena, Stony Prairie, Gibsonburg, Scott, and Radnor. Take cover now and go to the basement of your house if no basement is available. Take shelter on the lowest floor of the building in the interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets and pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Get out of your shelter, basement or interior rooms. Go outside and stand or sit in front of the tornado. Go outside for 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 the tornado. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. 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 Sleep.
That's Tiki Baba like I've never seen Tiki Baba.
Yeah, little girl is right. Your improving performance has exceeded all expectations. And to think